Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So, FOMC is over. No real change to anything, just exactly what the market was expecting anyway. So, very muted, no real direction or anything like that. The one thing that is kind of bugging me at the moment is we do have diversions between the Dow Jones and the S&P 500 at the moment. So S&P 500 is up, but that's because of some sterling results from Apple and Facebook yesterday, and then we still got Amazon coming today. So I suspect the S&P 500 is probably, may pull back a little bit during the course of the day, or just sort of hover, and then during the US Open rally. But it doesn't look like the Dow Jones is following suit. So we are still very much in this consolidation pattern. I know we're below it at the moment, but we are in a very strong bull trend. So as far as I'm concerned, that's still consolidation pattern. And in fact, what you can do is just remove that one and just take the range. So there's a couple of things that we want to happen here. So this trend line here, let me just delete it for now. We'll look at it on the 1 hour, and I'll give you that input now. Looking at the 3 hour, nothing really to write home about. You see the buyers coming in off the bottom, buyers basically coming in here. We did run to the downside. We've got a nice grouping happening, bit of a crossover happening as well. I suppose it's not really a decent grouping, but we have had one stochastic crossover. We're looking for the second stochastic crossover. We are flirting with a level. Problem that we'll have is that we broke through this level. We rejected it here with a massive pin bar. And we're back on to testing it, and that level coincides with being below the moving averages. If you look at the 1 hour, we have a fairly strong crossover of the moving averages. So when you look at this at the moment, we should still really be concerned at the moment. So there's my channel. So break of that channel to the upside and a retest of the current high of the day is pretty much going to give us an opportunity to buy into this. So it is following the S&P a little bit. That's today's trade, but there's only 0.2% up, where the S&P is up almost 0.6, 0.7. So I'm a little bit cautious on the Dow at the moment. I was cautious. I've been cautious all week on it, in actual fact. And I think I'm going to maintain that view for now. So this is really worrying me if you look at this. So we rejected the moving averages there, we rejected them there, and it does look like another rejection here, and we've got a bit of a gap to the downside. So I suspect we moved to the bottom of this range. I think we're probably going to come back down to 33,740, and I'm not sure I want to be buying off that level, to be honest. I'm a little bit hesitant here, as you can hear. For me, this is looking like a potential double top. If you look at it, one way is a W there, and not really an M, because if you do that, there's an M top. So it does look like a bit of a double top, but it also looks like a solid move up, consolidation, and then another move expected. So for the month, you can see it's a green bar, so I think the bulls are going to try and maintain that for the month. And for the week, it's another red inside bar. And look at my oscillators here. This is not a pretty picture at all. So this is indicating that we are extremely overbought, and we should be looking for some form of a pullback consolidation. But now it's still earnings season, so I think I'll take it with a pinch of salt for now. But for me, I'm staying out of the Dow. So the Dow and the DAX are the two that I'm staying far away from. There are some opportunities on Forex, and I think the S&P 500 offers the better opportunities for me at the moment. Anyway, there's nothing else I can add to that. Hope it helps you somewhat, but watch this level here. I think this level is fairly interesting, and you can actually add another one here as well, just on this previous swing high here. Watch this area here. So 33,922, 33,932. If we can hold that level and start moving back to the upside, then you're looking for the top of the range, and I would do it on the 15-minute chart. Just watch it there. As you can see, you're getting a bit of a crossover in the moving averages here. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's my view today. Hope it helps you somewhat, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.